Hello, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. My name is Aniela and I make videos about sewing, knitting and crochet. First of all, I wanted to just take a second and thank you so much. We have hit 500 subscribers, so we're growing really fast and I'm just so grateful for your support and that you decided to join me along my handmade journey. And also, thank you so much for the love for the video about the hexagon crochet shirt. I try to respond and help you in every possible way I can. I am very happy that it was well received and you guys clearly enjoyed watching it. So yeah, thank you so much again. And now back to today's video. So if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how to sew a scrunchie. Today we're sewing the very basic medium size scrunchie. It is a very beginner friendly project, very easy. It takes a little time to sew. You need small amount of fabric to make one. You can even use any scraps you have, and it requires just sewing a straight stitch. So no serger needed, a very minimal effort project. Actually perfect for your first ever project. So I'll show you the materials and we'll start. To make a scrunchie, you will of course need a pattern. You don't have to actually make the pattern. You can just measure the width and length on your fabric directly. The measurements are 13 centimeters by 56 and it's cut on fold. That means that you should multiply the 56 by 2, which gives 112 centimeters. So 112 centimeters by 13 centimeters. Then you'll need fabric, and I'm using this 100% linen fabric in a light pink color. It does not have a clear right or wrong side, so I just marked where my right side is. You will also need a pair of scissors, an elastic. I'm just using a 1 centimeter wide elastic that is 22 centimeters long. You'll need measuring tape to measure the length and width of your fabric, some pins, and of course a sewing machine, a thread and a needle. To sew your scrunchie, put the shorter ends together, right sides together, aligning the short edge, and pin. Now sew this edge with a straight stitch using a 2.5 millimeter stitch length. Now press the seam open, and now we're going to do the sandwich method to sew our tube. This way we will align our stitch line right here that we made. So make sure that it's perfectly together. Match the seam line and pin it in place. And now we're starting at about 3 centimeters from the seam line right here, and we are going to sew a straight line 1 centimeter away from the edge and pull the fabric until we reach this point right here, so about 3 centimeters from our starting point. So now we should have this like burrito funny looking thing. We have sewn a straight stitch on the longer side and left a 3 centimeter gap right here. So what we are going to do now is take the inside part and gently, very gently, so you don't rip any seams, pull the tube inside out. Now you can see we have this seam that is perfectly aligned, and we have our scrunchie almost done. Now the next step is to put the elastic through the tube, but before let's just press the scrunchie so it's more crisp. I like to just shimmy it in my hands so I get to the seam right here. It doesn't have to be like perfect. Scrunchies are always scrunched up, so it doesn't really matter that much, but pressing just gives the fabric a more clean look, and the scrunchie will definitely look so much better. So just don't skip this step and press. Oh, and I forgot to mention, but to thread the elastic through the channel, we'll need a safety pin or your other preferred way of pulling your elastic through the tube. So we just place the elastic inside and go all the way around. Sometimes best to just pin the other end to the edge, because it can be pulled inside as well and you'll have to start over. And now we have both ends. We just match them together, and I just like to check if the elastic hasn't twisted, and then tie a knot at the end. I like to tie it loosely first and just try it on my wrist to see if it's too tight or if it's okay. So this one is pretty tight. and I just do like so. Try again. Perfect. Not too tight, not too loose. So yeah, I can just pull, secure it really nicely, and maybe cut off the ends. Now the last step is to sew the gap that we left, the opening closed. You can sew it by hand or with a straight stitch. And I'm sewing just like 1 millimeter away from the edge. Cut the threads. And it's done. The scrunchie is finished. It's looking super ruffly. This linen is so soft. I'm in love. So as you can see, it was a super low effort project, very beginner friendly. It took me like literally 15 minutes to make this. And it's such a perfect accessory for every outfit. You can have a different colored scrunchie. A little styling tip, I love to put my hair in this small bun and I just pop the scrunchie on top. Just like this. A hairstyle, no effort at all. So yeah, this is the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you did, I have another tutorial for a very similar project, a scrunchie with a little twist with 2 layers. You can check that out. If you want more, you can go check my YouTube channel or Instagram, where I post more up-to-date about my current projects. I really hope you try out to make your own scrunchie, and if you do, please write down below how it went, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!